Yeah, welcome back to another day of working on van troubles. Hashtag van life. This is what it's all about. Having to fix your home that you live in it. This is just our weekend camper. Could be our home in a couple of years. Okay, I'm pretty stoked. I'm back in action. I realized that I had a tool set that I needed. It's like these big star point socket set. It's like everything on the Mercedes. I needed one of them for the Jeep and that one's missing. So that's no good. We're gonna have to find that one. But yeah, I'm gonna start ripping all this stuff off. I just ordered the new AC condenser is what that thing is. And we're gonna do a little breakdown of taking everything apart as much as I can. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, more work. Hopefully we get stuff finished. I'm gonna go turn on the light so that it's easier to see stuff. Got you a light so you can see what's going on in here. It's pretty funny that people said I had crickets in the engine from the noises. So we did find a cricket right there. Crickets in the engine. That's pretty funny. And there's like all kinds of dead stuff. Dead in the fan. It would be super helpful if somebody knew what this is going on here, all this oil leak. This is the turbo right here, and then the exhaust, and yeah. All right, back at it, another day here. Yesterday I loosened up a lot of stuff and sprayed some stuff on here so that these aren't as much of a hassle. Today I got some cleaning products. I'm gonna clean a lot of this stuff out while we're opened up. Let's get to it. Everyone's saying that this thing might be the hissing that I'm hearing. That engine that's still going while the engine's off. I'm gonna clean up all this stuff. The radiator actually looks brand new, along with the water pump back there and all the belts and the alternator. Another one that I found that wasn't plugged in was the auxiliary fan here, and then this sensor here. Not sure where that one gets plugged into. So this is gonna be a little bit of a task right now. Lots of cleaning up and putting everything back together, and hopefully it all works. Yeah, stay tuned. And we're gonna try and find a mount for this because this plastic stuff is janky. I don't know what it's for, but it's not working out. This whole plastic thing, I don't know where to find it. I don't know what it's called. Okay, I do have some questions for you, like what is this plastic piece up to? What is it called? Why doesn't it work good? What is this plastic piece that goes right here? Is it missing part of it? Was it broken? Does it go to this piece or support it? Should there be one on the other side? Those are kind of the questions I need to know right now. Not sure what this tube is, and I don't see any others like it. Okay, pretty bummed that today did not end with a success of putting everything back together. But yeah, got down to the radiator, looking good. Cleaned everything up. I hope that's looking good. All right, so far for my first time working on this engine, and this Sprinter engine is a little more open than the Jeep engine, so that makes it a little easier to work on. Hopefully I have all the tools. just all the knowledge that hopefully I can find out some screws and how to put it all together. And hopefully we're going to get some screws and nuts for all these things instead of zip tying everything. I would love that. And I'll show you some of the little clips that these screws have, like just a metal back with a screw through it. And I think they should be, this one's an actual metal clip that clips over it. So I think it should be. I just need to fill in all these little guys with so that we're not doing zip ties. And yeah, we got these little screws. They're just held on by a piece of metal. It should look more like that, I'm thinking. Look at those zip ties. That's crazy.